Okay, hey guys. So today, a couple days ago, I got this pistol. I can't pronounce that name correctly, but it's right there's the name. It shoots 10 BBs. Here's the clip. And it takes CO2 cartridges. And once this pops off, and then this piece right here, you use it right here to tighten this up, and this will release the thing in there, the CO2 in there, which shoots the BBs. And I have a target set out right there, that white box, and once you get it, it will come with BBs. And I opened up the bag and I put them in this thing. But right now it's all ready. And then so if you have it like this part, the spinny, that little spike part, comes in like this. And then you hit this piece right there. It's hard to see, but push it down and moves forward right there. And now this piece right here will not fall out. Then there's a little slot on the top. Whoops. Well, there was. Now there is. Okay, right there on the top, there's a little slot. And right here's the hole. You want to put that in the slot and snap it down. And it'll make a loud crack noise. And right now, yeah, the safety's on. It's ready to fire. Now I'm going to show you a couple demonstrations. And aim at the target. Now this is like a normal bronze-sided ironite. You have to line them in with each other, and then that's how that sounds. It's a really weird sound. And my brother had a different pistol. Instead of having this rotating thing, he had a one that's like a Glock. And it's a simple reload. It takes 10 BBs. I'm not sure if I reloaded that. The safety is this little thing. So he says red. You push it forward. You try shooting it. It will not go back. The hammer will not go back. And the hammer actually does trigger the CO2. You can see the bronze thing right there when I pull it back. Once it hits that, it will release CO2 in the thing, and the air will push out the BB. Okay. Now, pulling the safety back is a little hard, but after a while you get used to it. And then simply just taking them out, pushing this forward, lifting it up, and it'll stay right there, and the thing will come right out. Oh, just ignore that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how it feels to shoot full auto. Or how it looks to shoot full auto. Boy. Brother Riley. And so I think I shot. Let me look and see how many I shot so I can save at least one more for my cameraman to shoot. Shot 2, so 8.
I'm not a man. Riley said it last time too that I'm a cameraman, not a man.
Camera woman.
Woman.
Okay, now I'm gonna shoot off 7 of them. Leave one left. Whoops, safety. Safety.
You see the box move?
Yeah. I lost count.
Boom, 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 boom.
There's 2 left, just enough for both of you guys to shoot it. I'm gonna start off with Allie. I think. Oh, you might have to watch for it. Okay, now. switch it.
I don't know if I want to do it.
Why? Is it on safety right now?
You will be able to see. Now, it has absolutely no kick.
So, yeah, I'm good.
I
I'm
hope
good
so.
then. Yeah, I'm going to try it. Because
I hope
This
it
is done.
doesn't have any. I never shot a pistol before, so don't do it.
Oh,
I have.
Bradley, record it, okay? And I'm going to show you how to hold it, okay? So, what you do is instead of holding it like a gun, like this, you hold it with your hands at the bottom. This will keep it stable and you won't shake that much. If you need to, hold on the sides a little bit. Take that. So I'm going to overhand you.
Yeah, I shot
So-
my dad's pistol, and it's pretty awesome. But
You don't have to pull the thing back. It's automatic.
So I can just shoot it now.
Yeah, it's semi-automatic.
Ooh,
Gotta pull it really hard. Okay. Now, that was one shot because I knew I put it on like that because I wanted to make sure that she didn't do that. Just to double check. Told you. One left.
what?
For you.
She shot it and the thing rotated the opposite direction and she dry fired it.
Oh, now I get it.
Now, one left. Now,
There's
Riley,
Riley.
for you can hold it like this.
Whose
and aim
bolts are
down.
that?
Austin's. Or you can
Where's
go
your
through
gun?
that and you line these two up
I know.
with that one. One hand, two hands, two hands, two hands. I'm not, I'll like, scoot forward so you don't have to do one thing. Now go ahead. There you go. You shot it.
I didn't because I'm a failure at that.
And just bring the thing back. It was a very
Don't.
high. You're fine. And see how the thing's up? Just push and comes right out.
For sure.
There's still one left.
Yes, I guess he missed it.
You didn't even see the bullet. Saw that.
There you go.
I don't know.
That was my last tank I used. No, I didn't. Okay, well, this is getting
Oh
annoying.
my god.
I know why I didn't put the pin back. It will not shoot if you don't put the pin back that holds it. There it went. It's hard to notice it. It's like an airsoft.
You
so-
just pointed at yourself.
Yeah, I know it's empty. Plus the cartridge is empty. So
You
now
scared me.
all you gotta do, push forward, lift up,
Can't see.
and then push this pin out. And my first time doing this, I felt like an idiot because I completely did it wrong. And one thing that you should never try doing is see how the circle, the pins are up with the spikes on it. You want to flip it over and put it in. That because the other way it will not shoot and you'll just jam your gun.
That was 8 minutes.
Yeah, and that's why I'm gonna shoot a couple more.
No! I don't want to. I don't want you to.
I'm gonna shoot off a full clip.
Oh my god, goodbye. Peace out.
And see how I'm loading it? And instead of just putting it in like that, your BBs will fall out, and I just shot one, and you will push it in. It's not
This is not. This is a piece of Austin's.
It's an old BB that went out. Oh yeah, it's a piece of Austin's. You could probably go through our yard with a metal detector and find a whole bunch of BBs. And they're not all from this gun. Now, I'm gonna count down by 10.
10, 9,
I'm gonna shoot at that. I'm gonna shoot at that box.
6.
I heard that before.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was 11.
I noticed. I shot 11 times just in case.
11.
I loaded the clip. Now, it's not a full automatic gun where you just go bah, 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 or like just hold it down and go bah. You gotta go boom, 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 boom. They do make guns like that, which they'll shoot airsoft BBs. Now these things, they're pretty tiny. They're really tiny.
Oh, whatever.
Can you see the one in my hand? There it is. Pretty tiny. Damn. And my brother has a full gun. I mean, not like this kind. It's like a full gun and it shoots these kind. He killed several birds with them.
Several.
Several.
Speaking of birds, there was a bird right there and got curious, but now it's not. Oh, that she made it.
Now, I'll see you guys later. Have a good time. I'm back. See ya.